In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight image with neon glow frame in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to pull focus to a specific part of a photo using a glowing frame and a subtle dimmed background for a polished professional look. Start by opening a Canva template. Pick any size that suits your project: Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation slide, whatever you need. Once your canvas is open, head to the Uploads tab. Upload your photo if it isn't already in your library, then drag it onto the canvas. Resize the image using the corner handles so it fills the layout the way you want. Keep the main subject roughly centered for easier framing later. Next, open the Elements tab and type Neon Frame into the search bar. Click See All to browse the different styles. Choose a frame that matches your aesthetic. Square, rectangular, rounded corner styles all work. Then insert it onto the canvas. Resize the frame and position it over the specific area you want to highlight. Don't worry about perfect alignment yet. We'll fine-tune that. Now duplicate the image. With the duplicate created, open the Layers panel and move that duplicated image behind the neon frame. This setup lets the frame sit in front while we isolate the highlighted area on the duplicate. Select the duplicated image and crop it so it matches the neon frame exactly. Use the crop handles and align all four edges to the inner bounds of the frame. Take a moment to crop each side carefully so the image portion perfectly fills the inside of the neon shape. With the cropped duplicate still selected, use the corner rounding control and start rounding the corners. Adjust the rounding level until it visually matches the neon frame's curve. Small tweaks here make a big difference in how clean the effect looks. Next, select the original background image and click Edit. Go to Adjust, then lower the brightness. Reducing it slightly makes the background recede so the neon focal area pops. Keep it natural, just enough to create contrast without losing detail. For the final polish, reselect the highlighted image inside the frame and adjust the corner rounding again if needed. Nudge it until the rounded edges line up with the neon shape perfectly. The edges and glow feel aligned and seamless. You're done. You've created a crisp neon glow highlight that directs attention exactly where you want it.